Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. Guys, let's make this simple delicious cookie together. Here I have my butter, so I'm just going to mix everything together. I'm going to mash it a little bit to be fluffy before I add the rest ingredient. This is what I'm just doing right now. So the next thing, I will add my flour and I'm going to stick all the ingredients together. Here is my flour, here is my baking powder, and a pinch of salt is here also. I will add my sugar. I'm going to stiff everything together. Stiff flour is very important. It makes it easy when you are mixing the dough together. That is what I'm just doing. Keep on watching, guys. I am done with the stiffing, so I'm just going to turn everything together. So I will use my hand later. I just want to mix it a little bit with this before I use my hand to do it. It's easy with hand to form the dough together. So a cleaner hand, of course. So that's what I'm just doing now. I'm going to add my egg before I will use my hand to put the dough together. So I pour my egg on the bowl also. I'm just going to mix everything together. Mix until you get a dough. I keep on putting everything together. You see the way it just forming dough together. Just be mashing it together. Nothing is difficult. You can see the way I'm just putting it together. Now, when I get a dough, I will put it on the fridge just to rest for a few minutes before I will cut to my desired size. Here my dough is already formed together. I'm going to put it on the plastic and put it on the fridge for a few minutes before I will cut it. If you watch me to this moment, thank you, I appreciate. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share to friends and family. Let's continue with the video. Here my dough is already ready to go to the fridge, and here my dough is ready to be cut. So I just bring it out of the fridge. I'm going to cut it into two to make it easy with the rolling. Here I'm making it to be easier when I'm rolling it. I'm just going to roll it gently before I will cut to my desired size that I'm going for today. Keep on watching, guys. This is the shape I'm going for today. I'm going for love. So this is the shape. I'm just going to cut everything out. Very beautiful shape. I love this shape. So I'm just doing it. Nothing difficult, guys. You can see the way I'm just placing the cutter on it. It just cut it very easily. I'm going to do the same all over the rolling dough. So that is what I'm just doing right away. When I finish cutting it, I will remove all the excess dough that's supposed to be removed before I will put it in a tray. This cookie will go for 160 degrees for 15 to 16 minutes, guys. Keep on checking time to time. Don't just leave it there so that it doesn't get burned, because it's not that thing. You have to keep eye on it. You can see the way I'm just removing the excess dough. So I will re-roll those one. I'm just placing it on my tray right now. I am going to do the same with the other one we cut out before. So I'm just repeating the same process that we did before. So nothing difficult, guys. As you can see, I'm just repeating the same thing that we did before. So I'm going to cut it as well to the same shape. The cookie is ready to go to the oven. You can see how beautiful it look. Wow, our cookie is ready, guys. Look at how yummy it look. You can see the way it just break very easily. Wow, it was really delicious. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.